Hey everybody, thank you for clicking on the sum function by Office Applications Trainer. Here we see how the simple sum function works. In the first example here in F1, you need a total of 1, 2 and 3. But since the values given in B, C and D are text values and not numeric values, what we can do is we can enter equal to sum open bracket 1, comma 2, comma 3 close bracket and hit enter, or we can enter equal to sum 1 plus 2 plus 3 close bracket, hit enter. Since the values in B, C and D are text values, this is the best way to run your function. You enter the values directly into your function. In the second example, what we see here is in B, C and D we have numeric values. Now if you have numeric values, it is not very difficult. You can make your function entirely dynamic. So here what we put is equal to sum open bracket, select the entire range, close bracket, hit enter. Now in the third example, what we have here is we've got values inside a cell and text. In all the three cells we have numbers and text both. So what we need actually is just the values for our sum function to work correctly. So first let's extract all the values. So I'll say equal to left, text is this, comma, number of characters. Okay, so number of characters, what I need is I need only those number of characters that appear before the space. So I'll say sum open bracket find open bracket, text is the same one, sorry, find text will be open quotes space close quotes, comma, from B5, and you start at the first character, close bracket, -1, so that Excel knows it has to go back one space and only get the numeric values and not the space, and then close the other bracket, hit enter. So we got 140. Now all that we need is 9 and 310. So first I'll just copy this below. I'll select this one, click in the formula bar and change the reference by dragging it to the next cell that I need to extract the values from. Hit enter. I'll go to the third one. Again, I'll do the same thing. Click in the formula bar, drag to the cell that I need to extract the values from, and hit enter. So here we basically have all the three numbers. Here all that we need to do is equal to sum open bracket this, comma, this, comma, this, close bracket, and hit enter, and it gives us a 0. Now why does it do that? Basically when we extracted text out of these columns, all we got was text. So we're just going to change that to a numeric value. To change it to a numeric value, all that you need to do is just multiply it by 1 and the value changes to a numeric value. Okay, now that we have them in numeric value, we have the total over here. That is good, but again, we will never have extra space in our Excel sheet. So what we need to do is we need to make sure that we have nested all the functions over here right into this one function. So over here it says G10. Okay, go to G10, copy everything except the equal to sign, Control C, hit escape, come back to your original function, double click on G10, Control V, hit enter, then go to G11, select everything except the equal to sign, Control C, escape, double click on G11, Control V, enter, finally go to G12, select everything except the equal to sign, copy it, hit escape, go back to your function, double click G12, Control V, hit enter. You can now delete all these and your function is still working fine, no problem at all. Even if I change this to 12, it still works fine, no problem at all. All right, now finally let's look at the last example. Over here it says second last example. Over here it says sum of B6 and D6. Of course, if assuming that there is no text over here, it's fine if we take the entire range. But if there's going to be some text over here which sometimes may even have a value, then it is not a good idea to select the entire range. So in this case, what we do is equal to sum, select first cell, comma, second cell. Again, you can either use a comma or a plus. Hit enter. And finally, in the last example, what we want is we have got multiple ranges. We have a range over here and we have a range over here. So what we do is we say equal to sum, open bracket, select this entire range, comma, separated by a comma, and then select the other range, close bracket, hit enter, and that's it. So this is how the sum function works. If there's anything you'd like to know more, don't forget to connect with me on my email address, which is info@officeapplicationstrainer.com. Thank you.